Gonna pick one. Uh, Easy question. Okay, so I'm gonna try to finish within 10 minutes. Find all k distinct indices in an array. You're given a zero index integer array nums and two integers t and k. That's quite confusing. K distinct integer, no, K distinct index is an index I of nums for which there exists at least one index j such that I minus j, the absolute value of this is less than or equal to k. J nums j. What? There's so many. There's key k I j. There's too many things. That's kind of hard to understand. This. It's a really easy question. Return a list of all k distinct indices sorted in increasing order. Fuck. I think I'm gonna just go to the example one. I don't understand this question. Here nums two, that's equal to key. Okay, and then nums five, this is also equal to key, right? So what? So meeting this condition, okay, for index zero, zero y2. What? 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 Why are we doing this? What? So for example, like each number and 2, 5, and this is not less than k, so that there's no j where blah blah blah. The zero is not k distinct index. That's something understandable. And then I did okay, this is less, this is 1, and this is less than equal 1. And nums 2 equal to key, so 1 is k distinct index. And blah blah blah. What? I think I need to go back to the question. So, given zero index, it's already past almost 10 minutes. I don't think I can solve so within 10 minutes. Zero index integer array. Now, two integers, k and k. This k distant, it's not distant, distant index is index I of nums whose which there exists at least one index j such that this is less than k, and j is key. Okay. Okay, sure. So j could be, okay, so in this case, j is happen to be, we have 2j, and then we do this, that's less than k. And so I can be, so I'm gonna, we need to collect I to the array, okay. And then this is actually using the second j. It is because we want to minimize the distance and try to be within k. Okay. Yeah, so basically I understood what's happening here. Key is 2. Actually, all the numbers are key. So so actually this is going to be just index of minus index itself, and then that's going to be 0. So that's less than k to 2. So that is why we can append all the indexes to the array. Okay. And that could be 1000. We're not going to have a negative or 0. integer. Key is always going to be the integer from the array. Okay. We have this kind of length. So constraints are pretty safe, but after 5 minutes, I understood the question, but I don't know how to solve this. Oh, what should I do? Is it really easy question? Um, so I guess first I need to identify if 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 well, so I think I need to know when this is actually shifting to 2 to 5. So here I'm using 2, 2, 2, 2, and from here I'm actually using um I need to use closest one. Uh-huh. I need to use the closest one, sure. So what should I do? Damn it, man. Damn it, man. I feel so bad because I cannot quickly solve even if this is the easy question. Um, so what I'm going to do is firstly I need to identify the index of key, so that's going to be 2 and 5, but how should I shift it from the next one? How should I shift? So for example, like here, I'm using 2. This is also using 2. But somehow from here, I need to use the next one. Why? If I use 2, the difference is going to be 2, so it's no less than k. But if I use 5, it's going to be 1, and that's less than k. That is why it's using 2 to 5. How can I efficiently change that? How can I change that? Is it brute force? Like if the index is like small, is makes sense to use. I want to efficiently get that index which is closer to my current index. How can I access that? How can I access that? What? 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 Um, how can I do this, man? Is it? But even if I do brute force, how can I do brute force? Yeah, like, yeah, it's gotta be nested for loop. So I'm gonna just save the index of these keys and just iterate both. And as long as it's gonna be less than or equal to k, I can append it. But it's either of them are not less than or equal to k. I cannot insert this index. So brute force, I only think about brute force now. Brute. Yes, it's obviously it's gonna pass 10 minutes. But I think I can solve at least with the brute force. So even if it's gonna exceed 10 minutes, I think I still gonna try to do this. So what I need to do is like key indices. I'm gonna put the array, and for I in range then nums, and if nums I is equal to key, I'm gonna collect this to the array. That's gonna be I, right? And then I'm gonna do brute force here, even if I don't want to do it. So I'm gonna create the empty answer array, and then eventually I'm gonna return this array. And what I'm going to do is for each range nums, right? And I'm gonna brute force to the just key indices. And if absolute value of I minus j, and this is less than or equal to k, I'm gonna answer append this. And then once I found it, I can just break out of this for loop because I don't want to append two indices for one I. I think that's what we need to do. And it's actually not saying, I just need to append I. It's not, don't care which J I'm using. And if we cannot find it, I cannot insert append I. So I think it should be work for the example cases. So it's working. And if I submit this, I think it's solved, but this is obviously I'm doing the this nested for loop. So time should be in square. I don't feel like this is the solution. What? I mean, like it's a LeetCode question. It's supposed to be like O of n or like O of n of n or something. Is there an optimized way to do this? The hint? This hint? I'm gonna open a hint. For every occurrence of key nouns, find all the indices within distant k from it. I don't understand this English. What? For every occurrence of what? For every occurrence of key nouns, find all the. So this is saying like basically do the brute force. Use hash table to remove duplicate indices. Hash table. I think I'm going to just restart. Maybe I can find an optimized way. Hash table? Hash? Oh, what? What? Oh, okay. Hmm? No. What? No, what? Hash table. Is it really hash table? No, maybe this, no, I think this hash set. Like if, like I'm gonna collect, like the example one case, easy one, example, like example one, I said two times. So I'm gonna collect 2 and 5. And when I iterate, let's say current I is 0, and I'm gonna do k absolute k minus 0. No. Oh, how? Yeah, basically, I think. Hash table. Why do I have hash table to remove duplicate indexes? What are you talking about? Like this part can be eliminated? Really? What? Like Z? Can we do that? Like if what? Oh, I can't think of it. Okay, there. Uh, oh, your way to optimize? Hash table. Hash table. 0. 0. 0 plus 1. No. No. I cannot think of it. I cannot think of it, man. No. For now, I'm gonna give up. I'm gonna give up, and then I'm gonna think about, sometime, next time, maybe there's a better way to solve it. But, basically the solution I can provide now is just crap. That's it.